you ask me, I'll tell you that the problem has been the language. There's no doubt that the accounts of number and other tribes. But when you have a persistent agenda for everybody to come and say, Sakasa Mumenti, so they live in Accra and they don't want to speak up. That is where the tension is. All we are saying is that we are one country. The constitution doesn't say that we should promote only one culture. It says all cultures are to be promoted. And therefore, if we have a girl culture, look at my dressing. I've refused to put any kente on. But this is some of the things we do. And my language is good. So you come, you learn my language, you speak with me. But if you come and look down upon me, that leads to some kind of tension. But I don't think that after 1826, after the Katamaso War, we have had any tensions. The war is over. We are free. Nobody is controlling anybody. We are an independent country. We drove away the Akwabus. We drove away the Asantes. So we are now equals. So it's here on our land as an equal individual. Oh, it will promote, a more, friendliness and cooperation amongst us. As I said, I'm sure that those who do those things, who say Sakasanuminti, I don't hear that language and the rest, should change. They should stop and it will break down the tension. When I ask you, Toyota, you have to buy. You want to buy something, how much? A year? 6 months. We go on. But everybody will come to your country, to your state, and tell you Sakasanuminti, it will more tension. So my advice is they should stop those things and let us live as friends, as brothers. You don't expect me to stay in Accra and learn your language. And then you come, you live with me, and say you will not learn my language. That has been the source of the tension. They should just forget about it.